Hello friends, it's good to see you. Today we're going to work together on day 2 of our science homework. We're going to start with the reading. First, we will preview the vocabulary. Please look at the vocabulary words on your paper and follow along. Please repeat the words heat, vapor, to cool, clouds, invisible, dust. Now let's talk about the words. Heat is when something is hot. Calentura, caliente. Vapor, look at the picture. Also think about the word vapor. It's a cognate. What do you think it could mean? You're right, vapor is vapor. We have water vapor when water gets hot, when we add heat. To cool means to get colder, enfriarse. Clouds, look at the picture. What do you think clouds mean? You're right, clouds are nubes. What state of matter is a cloud? Think about yesterday. You're right, a cloud is a gas. Let's think about the word invisible. This is a cognate. What do you think it could mean? You're right, it's invisible. Dust. Look at the picture. What do you think dust could mean? Dust is polvo. Okay, now we're going to practice the words with hand gestures. Please repeat the word and the gesture after me to practice. Are you ready? Heat, vapor, to cool, clouds, invisible. For dust, we're going to pretend that we have a broom and are sweeping. Ready? Dust. Let's practice again. Heat, vapor, to cool, clouds, invisible, dust. Now it's your turn to practice. Please pause the video and practice the words and the gestures. Por favor, dale pausa al video y practique las palabras. Okay, did you practice the words? Now we are going to look at the reading. First, we're going to look for our vocabulary words and highlight them in the text. I'll do the first one. I see the vocabulary word heat. I know it means caliente. I'm going to highlight the word heat. Ahora te toca. Busque las palabras de vocabulario en el texto y subrayalas. Dale pausa al video y sigas después de subrayar todas las palabras de vocabulario. Okay, did you finish? Good job. Now look for other vocabulary that you know. Ahora busca otras palabras de vocabulario que sabes. Dale pausa al video y sigue cuando estás lista. Listo, lista. Okay, great job. You know a lot of words. Now we're going to read the text together. Please follow with your finger while I read. Evaporation happens when water changes from a liquid to a gas. The sun's heat changes water into vapor. Here we see the vapor in the picture. The vapor is invisible until it mixes with dust in the air. Now let's read it out loud together. Ahora vamos a leerlo en voz alta juntos. Ready? Evaporation happens when water changes from a liquid to a gas. The sun's heat changes water into vapor. The vapor is invisible until it mixes with dust in the air. Good job. Now we're going to read the next part of the text. First, listen and follow with your finger. Water vapor cools as it rises. The water vapor turns back into a liquid. This action is called condensation. Humidity is water vapor in the air. As water vapor mixes with dust, clouds form. Where are the clouds in the picture? Here they are. Okay, now we're going to read together. Lea conmigo en voz alta. Water vapor cools as it rises. The water vapor turns back into a liquid. This action is called condensation. Humidity is water vapor in the air. As water vapor mixes with dust, clouds form. Good job. Now pause the video and read the text out loud on your own. Ahora dale pausa al video y lees el texto en voz alta. Now turn to the next page in your packet. We're going to look at Day 2 activities. The instructions say, write and draw about the process of evaporation and condensation. Dice, escriba y dibuja sobre los procesos de evaporation y condensation. Please do what you can do. Si no sabes escribir oraciones en inglés, puedes dibujar y usar las palabras de vocabulario. Si tú puedes escribir oraciones en inglés, debes usar estos ejemplos para ayudarte a escribir oraciones, además de dibujar lo que sabes de evaporation y condensation. Let's look at the sentences. These sentences let us talk about cause and effect. When blank, here we have the cause. After the comma, we have the effect. So let's think about evaporation. I'm going to start with the cause. When the sun heats water, comma, what is the effect? We could say it evaporates, or we could say the water goes up. I'm going to say it evaporates. This is one example. Please use the sentences. Use your vocabulary to show me what you know about evaporation. Por favor, usa las oraciones, use el vocabulario y dibuje para mostrarme lo que entiendes de evaporation. Después, vas a hacer la misma cosa con condensation. After, do the same thing with condensation. You can send me a picture of your work by email so that I can check. Great job. Have a great day.